the coming year, the Justice Department will provide $157 million for 235 departments to hire nearly 1,200 additional police officers to enhance their community policing capacity as part of the COPS hiring program. We will award $73 million to help protect schools through the School Violence Prevention Program and funding under the bipartisan Safer Communities Act. We will award $31 million to meet the most serious needs of law enforcement in tribal nations through the Tribal Resources Grant Program. We will award $46 million to combat the spread of opioids and methamphetamine in our communities, and we will award $10.5 million to help train first responders to counter active shooter threats.
We're here to announce that Ryan Wesley Ralph, 58 years old, of Hawaii, has been charged by a criminal complaint in the Southern District of Florida with firearms offenses related to an incident which occurred yesterday at Trump International Golf Course right here in West Palm Beach. The entire Justice Department, including the FBI, the United States Attorney's Office for the Southern District of Florida, and the National Security Division are coordinating closely with our law enforcement partners to fully investigate and prosecute this matter.